15? Which floor?
13, please.
13?
Yep, thank you.
Here we go. It's a Millar. Whoa! This is fast.
He loves elevators.
This is fast.
My daughter hit all the buttons last night.
Oh.
We had to stop at every floor.
That's an adventure.
Oh boy. Wow, these are fast.
Oh yeah, well they're going up high, I guess.
This is the elevator, the Park Inn in Toledo, Ohio. Here you are. Haunted level. Look.
Have a great day. Thank you.
Have a good day. Let's go up to 15. Here we go. Whoa. These are fast for 15 stories. Back down to L? No. After we go back down to L. Let's go weird 15. Here we go. Whoa. Wee. Very nice. L series. Phone doors locked. Stop your date. Going down?
Yes, we sure are.
Which floor are we going to? Lobby?
Lobby sounds great. Thank you.
Schindler Haughton.
So then when we get closer to
Whoa. Fast.
group, then I want the harder warm up. All right, let's just try it this time. Remember, Maureen said you should be sweating, right? Yeah, sweating. All right. Because that, remember what she said, halfway
Sure,
through the
L.
course, that's when you're on your A game, right? We're at that level.
There you go.
Thank you so much.
You're
Have a
welcome.
great day.
You too. Can I go my own on this one? Going up? Which floor? 10. Back up to 15. It's a Haughton, modernized by Millar. Door closed button works. Here we go. Whee! These are fast.
Yeah, they are.
Wow, these are fast. These are the fastest Schindler Haughtons I've ever ridden. These are Haughtons, maintained by Millar. Whoa, hard stop. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too, happy Pride.
You too. Here we go. Whee! These do the rocket launch. Here at 15. Just get a look out here. I like to get a view. Let's get a view out here. Oh, this is an epic view. There's an upcoming building right there. Port Lawrence Garage, PNC Bank Plaza, Huntington Bank Building, Tower at Mommy. Let's get a look around here. Pretty nice hotel. Let's go back down. Oh boy. Are these gonna be like Tower of Terror? Got this one again. L. Here we go. Whoa, these drop like Tower of Terror. Whee! Wow. Wow, these are fast. 3,500 pounds capacity. These are really fast for serving 15 floors. Millar maintains this. This was obviously added in. Whoa, hard stop. There goes and. That's it.